Hello guys, this video will show you how to fix a basic beginner topology mistake. But real quick guys, if you're looking for what I consider to be the best 3D modeling tutorial on the internet, I recommend checking out my Udemy course. It's got tutorials on Blender, 3ds Max, CAD programs such as Plasticity and Moai 3D, and a lot of ZBrush as well. So if you want to master a variety of programs to really bring your skills up to the next level and master 3ds Max, Blender, ZBrush, and Plasticity, be sure to check out that course, link is in the description. Let's continue. So as you notice here, we've got some distortion happening here. It's more noticeable at certain angles and certain distances, but it's bad enough that we need to fix it. Now, the first way to fix it is by, of course, increasing topology. We all know that. That's the basic go-to method right there. The problem is when you increase topology, the whole model becomes more and more complex and it's more difficult to make changes. So of course this is a good method, but it requires you to lock in to the topology and you can't really undo that. You can see here, if I turn this off, you notice here, the model is still relatively simple, we can still make changes, whereas here, with increased topology, it becomes much difficult to make smaller objects. Now, of course, if you want really small details, there's no way around it. If you're using geometry, you need to go ahead and, polygons, you need to go ahead and make it dense. However, I'll show you where you can massage your topology to fix up those mistakes in various areas where you still want to keep things relatively simple as we can. So, but the problem here, guys, is that we have this really stretched polygon, and even though it's got, 4 sides, it's good, it's a quad, it's very stretched out here, and it's producing the bad result that we see, like so. So the solution, guys, is we select the vertex around it, the vertices, we turn on face constraints, and we use this middle value, this middle option right here, to move it kind of in screen space. And we gently kind of massage it around right here. Alright. And as you notice now, we're able to get a much better result, although we may need to move a little bit more. But if I turn the edit apply on and off, you can see how it has gotten better in that area. Alright. Let's go ahead and move it on further. Another thing we can do, guys, is we can actually move this edge, these vertices a little bit as well. We can move them, and we can also move this a little bit as well. Alright. And if we now compare what we had before to what we have now, you notice a much better result. That bad distortion, which is causing a little shadow right there, is now much improved. So of course, the best solution, guys, the more long-term solution, the more high-quality solution is to use more density. And we avoid that long stretch polygon, guys, but you'd be surprised by just doing a little bit of massaging, you can get rid of some more egregious details like so. Okay guys, thank you for watching and take care.